Are hashtags still relevant in 2026 or are they completely useless now? A lot of creators are confused. So in this video, we are going to clear the air. Let's go. Now, do hashtags still exist? The answer is yes, but no, they are not a growth driver, okay? Hashtags are no longer responsible for your growth on YouTube, or maybe they have never been. They are a minor signal and not a ranking source. They don't replace titles, descriptions, and retentions. And we know that these three things are very vital if you want to get a lot of views on YouTube. And if you want to get YouTube to recommend your videos, these three things are crucial. Now, let's talk about why videos without hashtag sometimes performs better than videos that has tons of hashtag in them. We have to know that YouTube looks at your video retention, your CTR, your titles, your description, how well your video is optimized, and most importantly, how your viewers or your audience are engaging with that video. So if your audience click on your videos and they stay and watch till the end, or at least watch 80% of the video, that's a very positive signal to the YouTube's algorithm. So YouTube's algorithm tend to push that video more and more to a larger audience. Because why? Your initial audience, your subscribers, for example, they are engaging with that video by watching till the end or watching at least half of it and commenting, and they are responding well to that video. That's why sometimes even videos without hashtag perform very well. So YouTube looks at your strong titles, your description, your retention, which goes into your viewer behavior, and hashtag falls below all of these. Now let's talk about what actually changed with this hashtag. So a few years ago, hashtag actually helped with discovery, okay? It helped people discover your videos way faster. And the hashtag feed then was still relevant, okay? So that was why adding hashtag was kind of like a priority, was important for creators to add hashtags to their video because it helped with discovery, and also we had the hashtag feed and all that. That was like a few years ago. But today, in 2026, the way YouTube recommends video is now shifting. It's different. So today, discovery is now intent-based. It's now depending on viewers' behavior, because the AI tool or the AI is now way smarter because they are now able to understand the content of each video compared to before. So now the AI is way smarter and is able to identify exactly the transcript of your video, what your video is all about, and is also able to identify what each viewer on YouTube, what their interest is based on their watch history and watch pattern, watch behavior. So the AI is able to easily figure out who is resonating with what type of content. So AI understands content automatically, and the hashtag feed is almost no longer in use anymore. And the hashtag feeds are rarely browsed in the recent time. So now the big question is, should we still use hashtag? A lot of people want to know. Well, yes, but if you do decide to do that, use them correctly. But if you are expecting to go viral and grow just because you added hashtag to your video, then the answer is no, don't use hashtag. Because like I mentioned earlier, hashtags are not a growth factor. All right. So, but if you do intend to use hashtag, you have to know and understand how to use them correctly to each video. Let's talk about best practice. If you do decide to use hashtag, focus on using 2 to 5 relevant hashtag. Okay. If your video is about how to grow on YouTube, you don't have to be using random hashtag like trending topics, viral clips, or SEO. Make sure that you are adding relevant hashtag to your video, which is best placed at the end of your description. Avoid using hashtags that are too broad. If you use broad hashtags, it's going to be of no value to your video because it might even confuse the algorithm. So it's best for you to stick to a few hashtags that are relevant to the specific topic you are talking about in your video. Now, again, let's clear some misconceptions about hashtags. 1. Hashtags do not fix videos. No, they don't. They also don't override bad thumbnails. If your thumbnails are not click-worthy, they are not catchy enough, hashtags is not going to fix that. And they will also not fix poor retention, okay? Adding hashtags to your videos is not going to make people stay and watch your videos longer. So it's not a fix for your titles, for your description, for your thumbnail, for your retention, and the overall performance of your videos. And that is why it kind of feel like irrelevant at the moment to even add hashtags to your videos, because at the end of the day, it doesn't really play much role like that anymore as it used to. So your focus now should rather go to your titles, your descriptions, your thumbnails, and also your spoken words. Your spoken words should also be packed with the keywords that are also in your description. Like everything has to go together. So if you're able to work on these things, title, thumbnail, description, with or without hashtag, your videos will still perform well. So in other words, hashtags are optional. If you want to, you can add them. If you don't add them, it's also not bad. All right. So think of hashtag like this. Think of hashtag like seasoning. Like when you are cooking, you season your pot of soup with salt and Maggi and all that. So think of hashtag like that. It's good in small amount, but it's never the main ingredient. So when you are using your hashtag, don't overuse them. Stick to the relevant ones and also focus on the other things that matters most. So if you're new here, welcome. My name is Angela, the face behind this channel, and I'm always excited to share useful tips and strategies and tutorials here in this channel to help you grow faster on YouTube and also to monetize faster. What I do, I share my experience and I also share whatever latest update I find that I believe is going to be useful to you small creators. That will be it from me today. Thank you for watching, and let me know in the comment section, do you think using hashtags really helps your video rank better? Share your thoughts in the comment section, and do not forget to like this video, subscribe, and share. Until next time, thank you for watching, and bye bye for now.